Okay, here's some Milwaukee adapters for what you want to look for. This is a nice kit here, 4966 6742, and it's going to have 1/4 inch that goes up to 3/8, 3/8 back down to 1/4, 3/8 up to 1/2 inch, and then 1/2 inch down to 3/8. Then you're going to have this one here, 4966 6726. It's a 1/2 inch drive adapter, so it's going to go from 1/2 inch drive up to 3/4. So you're going from a smaller drive up to a larger 3/4. Then you have 4966 6728, and then this one is a 3/4 inch drive, so big drive, going back down to 1/2 inch drive. Then you have this one, 4966 6729. This is going from a 3/4 inch up to a 1 inch. So that's huge. That's a pretty big drive size. So this is a good combination to have that gives you just about everything that you would need.